Okay, so how to install ColorGhear, the quick version. So you'll download this zip file that says ColorGhear version 10.zip. Double click to open it. It will unzip and you'll get a folder called ColorGhear install. Open that folder. On a Mac, it's this simple. You're going to go to Documents. We're going to Documents, Adobe After Effects CS5, User Presets, and you're going to grab this folder, drag and drop, and you're done. That's it. Inside that folder you also have this video that you're watching right now, how to install, along with instructions. Here, for those on Windows or on PCs, you're going to copy ColorGhear Toolkit, which is that file that was just copied over there. Instead of copying it to Documents, you're going to copy it to My Documents, and then Adobe After Effects CS5 User Presets. The directory is the same for both CS3 and CS4, and I believe also for 7. And that's it, you're installed. Then if you go to After Effects, open it up, come in here, Animation Presets, User Presets, ColorGhear Toolkit. There it is. There's all of your ColorGhears. Then, to get access to the tutorials, you're going to go to the website. You're going to get an email. The email is going to tell you, thank you for your purchase. To finish your registration, you'll go here and you'll see this screen. And then from there, you'll enter all of your information. Your email will already be filled in. Premium membership will be pre-selected. It'll have your first and last name. All you need to do is type a username and a password and click register, and you're done. You get an email confirming that, and then to go to the tutorials, you're just going to click tutorials. It's going to ask you to log in, and then you'll see right now there's 2 of them up right now. The rest are uploading as we speak. You'll have all of the tutorials in here, access to private content. You'll still have helpful links, the member download page. In case anything ever goes wrong with your install, or you want to download the latest version, you'll go to the member download page. Although it does have a price here, it won't charge you. Just click download, and since you're already a member, it will download for free. And if you haven't bought this, in case you're watching this and a friend's looking over your shoulder and you want to get it, go to the store. Right here, ColorGhear Toolkit. It's $50, but for a limited time, since this is the release, the initial release of the software, it's available for $25 until February 15th of 2012. After that, it will cost you $50. The website will expand more as we get time. We'll have plenty of tutorials, lots of fun, interesting content. At some point, hopefully maybe a forum, so that all of you ColorGhear users can talk to each other and swap ideas and swap presets, and contact me here at Contact, and let me know if you have any suggestions or questions about the software, things that you'd like to see, features you want to see added. And that's it. Enjoy ColorGhear, and happy grading.